Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the vampire cloak, and this is in the new update. So watch till the end of the video to know how to use it. So basically, in order to use the vampire cloak, all you have to do is wait for this bleed or this blood bar to fill up all the way, and you can make it fill up by killing enemies like wolves, cultists, etc. So once this basically pops up, what it will do is it will regenerate your health. So it's like a vampire, I guess. So it will literally like regenerate your health. So it's like a very cool like power, I guess. It's also like a health potion in a way. Like once you get it to be filled up, you simply just once you fill up and let's just say you take damage, you will regain any health that you have lost, or you will regain a good amount of health. So it's a very good thing to get. Now you can get this, I believe, in two ways. One is the vampire class, but that is going to be a bit expensive. But the easier method is by completing the haunted maze. I'm not 100% sure if it's a 100% chance of finding it at the haunted maze, but that's how I did get it. So that is something to keep in mind. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.